Good morning, Susie. You happy? I'm happy. Good morning, YouTube. From Badlands Off Road Park. Brewer Off-Road is here, Jackson Off-Road is here, Tyler McNabb is here, 701 Racing Zach Schenkel is here. I can't hang around all day, but I couldn't pass up the opportunity to get a quick morning ride in with the boys. Who needs coffee when you got a sunny 45-degree day and an LTR? Who needs caffeine? I do. I need caffeine. I need it to survive. Let's focus on why we're here. It's the off season. The boys are back in town, Attica, as it were. And if there's four-wheeling to be done, by God, I want to do it. So let's. It's actually really nice out here. I was worried about being cold, but there's no breeze or anything, so just rolling through the parking lot anyway, it feels kind of nice. Enjoy this last little couple moments of calm before we get through the gate up here and Jake goes 320 miles an hour. There it is. Start the day off right. Yes! I was going to try not to say it, but I have to. Becoming a recurring theme on my channel where I talk about how good Yamahas just sound in general, and then I make a comment that Zach's RP sounds awesome. It brings up kind of an interesting question as a newly christened Suzuki guy, because like RPs and Dasas, you know, and whatever else, there's a lot of cool pipes out there. There's a lot of stuff that sounds really good, but like aesthetically, I feel like Suzukis are kind of supposed? Why can't I talk today? Suzukis are kind of supposed to have Yoshis on them. I'm having a hard time talking myself out of keeping the Yoshimura on here just kind of permanently. What do you guys think? I do like how the RPs for the Suzukis are like lopsided. They don't use a different can. They use that exact same silencer right there, the kind of teardrop shaped one, and just lay it on its side. So it's got like an asymmetric thing going on. But I think I might be a Yoshi guy. What a great way to start my day. Uh-oh. One opportunity to seize everything you've ever wanted. You having a good morning, love? Righto. Thanks, buddy. Do not go up that one. It's pretty nasty on the other side. Woohoo! Dude, I have like a 3-minute clip of us talking about going up that one at the Bash. Yeah. It's so much worse now.
Exactly, that's what I was telling him.
It's way worse.
Even that right line, it's starting to get the same.
Yeah, it's got a wash at the top too. That was a little sketchy. I really love sand whoops, genuinely. When I'm racing here and I have to do them non-stop for 2 hours, I like them less, but still.
Oh, hi, Mark.
Uh-oh. Jake's all about this high-speed field loop. I've been joking about turning my Honda 450 into a TT build, so I guess maybe I need some practice. Out for one more rip before I head out. I think there's some rain moving in too. What a fun day. I think we might hit a couple laps on the motocross track, and that'll be about it for me. I've mentioned before, motocross isn't the most comfy thing for me, but it's fun to do uncomfortable stuff sometimes. We've been standing there talking for like 15 minutes and I've already feel really stiff. A spot of motocross. This speed that we're going is already at my maximum sort of motocross skill. Get it, Zach. Okay. I want to play. That was sweet. That was scary. That was maximum motocross comfort for me. I'm a little shaky right now. There you go. Woo! Gee whiz. That will do it for this random Wednesday ride at Badlands with the fellas. As always, thank you for watching, everybody. Super appreciate everybody just clicking on the videos and the support of the channel. You guys are awesome. Please leave a like if you liked the video, and I will see you in the next one. Quads are really cool. Yeah, I ride like a fool. Please subscribe. I'm not a tool. I swear. This is terrible.